Hello, this is an explanation video for Thursday, October 7th. So we're going to come down to Unit 1, Power of Goals. We're still in Module 3. And we'll come down to Day 4, October 7th. And here's what we're doing in the sync session. So here's the agenda for today's class. We will practice inference in discussions. And we will preview the Spark article for this week. So let's look at the inference first, Anne of Green Gables. So the book is Anne of Green Gables, and this is a small passage from the book. So we're going to read this text out loud, okay? And then when we're finished, we're going to answer some questions. Where are they? Who are these people? When do you think this takes place? What is happening? How do the people probably feel? And what do you think will happen next? To answer these questions, we're going to use inference. So that means we'll have to use evidence from the text, along with what we know in our minds from experience. And here we have some helpful kind of questions to help us to kind of think about what we're reading. But really, this here is the main part of the text that we're going to read here in the middle, and then answer these questions for inference. Coming back to the sync folder, here is the Spark preview. So the article for this week is Which Career is Right for You? And here's some information about the different questions you might come across. Question 1, this gives you information about question 1 right here. Here we have information about question 4, and here we have information about question 7. And we'll review all the questions during our review, but these are some good examples that you can learn at and prepare for the Spark reading. Let's look at the async. Okay, here's the async folder. Okay, it is a online quiz about inference from short texts. So let's do a preview. Start new attempt. Okay, so here's a short text, and you want to decide for each one, you're going to read this question. What does this section show the reader? Okay, so like what information can you get from this text? That's what it's asking you. So you'll pick A, B, C, or D. Second question. What does this section show the reader? So read the text. What information can you get from this text? A, B, C, or D? 3, read the paragraph. What conclusion can the reader make based on this paragraph? Okay, so this is an inference question. What can you understand? What can you guess about this text? A, B, C, or D? And that's the last question. Okay, so that is it for today, Thursday, October 7th. Thank you so much for listening, and best of luck.